Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. We hope you guys are having a fabulous day. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video. Woo!
Another one.
We did Amazon mystery boxes. Now these were cheaper ones because it is so hard on Amazon. I couldn't find any really pricey ones. They don't have a lot of those for sale unless it's like a brand selling it, which I don't want that because it's like all of the same brand.
Nope, we want to be surprised.
We want to be surprised with an actual mystery box. So we had to buy cheaper ones, but that's okay. This my little mystery box is so cute. I don't know what's inside. This one's Erin's. Erin's cost a little bit more than mine, so hers is going to be a little more luxe. But we don't know what's in it actually. So we're going to be unboxing it with you and like see what you get for your money's worth. Girls yawning.
I yawn.
Girls yawning.
I have a bad sleeping schedule right now.
And what time did you awaken today? Tell the people. 1 o'clock.
That's not too bad.
It is 3:54 and she's still yawning. Y'all better come get her.
Guys.
Come get her.
Guys.
Get it together.
I'm getting it together.
We're going to put you in summer school.
Alright, well, we are going to sing the subscribe song and then we're going to jump right in.
Get right in.
Be sure
to subscribe
to my channel
before you leave.
Alright, now that we have caused everybody permanent damage in their hearing, we would like to continue this video.
Jump right in.
I think we should unbox one box at a time, so we'll start with Erin so we can really focus in on what's in the box. What is that?
It's like a purse.
Girl got a purse. That is rich.
Oh my god, look.
It's so cute, Erin.
It honestly is cute. Let's see what's inside. Is there anything inside?
Oh!
What?
It's a whole nail kit.
It's a whole nail kit in this cute little purse.
It pops out, huh?
Yep, pops right out.
You guys, you get the whole kit in the bag, and then you can carry the purse, which is cute.
Honestly, a cute idea.
Oh,
the little purse slash bag is cute.
I love these things. Hold on. Oh, God.
Oh, my God.
Have you ever used one of these?
Oh, to clean underneath your nails?
No, look, it like slices off your cuticles.
Oh, no.
They're so addictive, and you will literally cut your fingers till they bleed. But I love these.
Laura's scaring me.
I know. I'm too much.
Hey. Get rid of that.
Okay, here we go.
Cleansing tissues. Charcoal and green tea.
I want to open one. I just want to see what it looks like.
All right.
Let me see your hand.
Feels nice.
It smells really good.
Oh, and it smells really good.
It smells delicious.
Those are great.
Wow. Removes oil, dirt, waterproof makeup. Okay. That's a good deal. I like that.
That's nice. Shall I continue on?
You shall. Oh.
Got this little brush.
3 pieces. Dang, you got a lot of stuff in there.
I sure do.
A 3-piece makeup kit. I mean, brush kit. Let's see.
You want to try them out?
Yeah, let's try them out. Let's open a few.
Let's see how they work.
So that's pretty nice. So far, her box has been pretty good for the price. Oh, this is a double end brush, and it feels so soft. I don't have any eyeshadow on today. I've been enjoying my life with no eyeshadow sometimes.
How did you open that?
Girl, you gotta get aggressive.
I'm not aggressive.
Girl, it popped right open. Oh, this feels nice.
I don't. Oh,
it's like a little foundation brush.
I love that. Actually, this is great.
Yeah.
This is a nice brush. You want to open this one up?
Girl. A mess.
A whole mess.
And then this is like a little under eye shader brush, or you can use it for eyeliner. I really like that they put brushes in there. That's nice.
These are nice too.
Yeah.
I like the way they feel.
Me too.
Shall I continue?
Let's see what else you got.
This one grabbed my attention.
Okay, we have a brow kit, and it comes with brow stencils,
brow
powders.
You making me do your brows?
Girl.
The only thing about these is that they're really thin. They're really thin.
I think this brow kit is a little not what I would typically go for. It does look like a cheaper brow kit that is, not that I don't go for cheap brow kits, but it gives me the Dollar Tree vibes, which you know I love the Dollar Tree.
I mean, it comes on really good, but it's just really powdery, so I feel like it would be coming off throughout the whole day.
Okay. Feels like that.
Did I screw it up?
I mean, you can't mess. Oh. Girl!
What'd I do?
Just spoolie it out or brush it out. Guys, comment down below if you want to see a video of Erin giving me a makeover. I've given her 2 makeovers on my channel. I think she should, like, do my makeup in here.
I would definitely be down. You guys should comment down below if you would like to see that. Oh no.
Well, you got a brow kit. All right.
I got a brow kit. Let's continue on.
What else?
This.
I want to know what that. What is it?
This is what you look like you would get from like the dollar store.
Yeah,
like for a little kid.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's open it. I can't.
It does favor little kid makeup.
I can't.
Stop.
I can't.
Stop. It's a lot of colors though.
It's a lot of colors. Should we try it? Should we try out the pigment?
Look at that. Let's try out the pigment.
All right.
Oh, hunky chunky. A little pigment, but they're very hunky chunky. I mean, this is definitely like Dollar Tree-esque vibe, but honestly, if you're just like getting into beauty and you just want to try some colors out, this might be a good starter kit. It did come with great brushes. There's even more stuff in this box.
Yeah,
but.
So let's continue on. This palette is just not really it for me.
Okay.
The pigment's bad.
They're very patchy.
But still cute.
Yeah.
Oh, we have another eyeshadow.
I'll open it if you want me to.
Oh my god.
What is that?
We have a big mother load. Also another eyeshadow.
Whoa, that's a big one.
Oh, I cut myself.
How?
Like I cut my chin.
See, it's like a nice palette, but at the end of the day, they are cheaper quality palettes.
Yes.
So, ooh, that does have some pigment though. I think you would just have to kind of work. Girl, chop my fingers off.
Oh my god. I got a book.
Ooh.
Literally, it's a journal. Pops open, but... Oh.
Let me see. Oh, dang.
Oh, lips be popping. Got a mirror. I don't know. Shall we try it?
Yeah, swatch some. That's lip gloss you're swatching.
I know.
Okay. Here, I'll try out some of the powder on you. I'm going to dip into
on
some
me?
of these. Yeah. I think you'd be...
Blush.
All of them. Ooh, they smell real bad, y'all. They smell like...
She's putting this on me.
Stop it. You look stunning.
Oh my god, that's chemicals. All I smell is
It is. It's very chemically. I mean, this palette does look appetizing because of how much is in it. It's got like face and lip and everything.
It smells like straight up chemicals.
It smells very strong. It has a very strong scent.
Well, we haven't tried out the eyeshadows. Let's see if there's pigment to them.
Okay.
Let's see if it's worth it.
Is it worth it?
Can you twerk?
I will say this palette has probably the most pigment out of all the palettes that they gave us.
I said it's not that bad. I'm gonna try out this green.
Girl, get into it.
It's just the only deal breaker for me is that these smell like straight up chemicals.
Yeah, it's just
it's bad.
Not a good feeling to put that on your actual face and near your eyes and mouth.
Oh, look, I used makeup wipes.
I will say this palette is really pigmented though.
Yeah, it is nice.
Was that everything that came in your box, Miss Weba?
That was everything.
Well, my goodness.
What's your favorite thing that came out of my box?
Oh yeah, let's talk about that. Okay, my favorite thing is definitely the nail kit. That was so cute.
I love the nail kit and the makeup wipes.
The makeup wipes are nice.
Also, the brushes were nice.
Yeah, there was a lot of good stuff that came in this box.
Proud of this box.
Proud of it. We had some hits and misses. But now what we're going to do is move on to my box. My box was a cheaper box, so it is a smaller box. And I kind of peeked in there because I did go ahead and cut it open. And unfortunately, it is all the same brand.
Are you being for real?
I think it is. I mean, I didn't look good, but first of all, so this brand is the Dollar Tree brand. This brand is like sold at the Dollar Tree. All this stuff is. But this eyelash curler, I've bought at the Dollar Tree before, and it's the best one.
Oh my god.
It's the best eyelash curler ever, guys. If you need a good eyelash curler, go to the Dollar Tree. Get the Sassy Chic one with the colorful handle. They have all kinds of different colors. It is the best.
I don't know what it is about them.
We lost ours, or it broke or something.
I think ours broke.
That's it. So, even though the box is cheap and it has cheap makeup in it, I'm really excited about this lash curler. Yes, queen. It works so good. It's like shockingly good.
Why does this work so good?
I don't know. But it does.
They knew what they were doing.
They really knew what they were doing. The next product I got is Wet n Wild eyelashes. These are not my vibe because they're like plastic lashes. So But I probably won't wear these, but...
It is cute that they put lashes in there.
It's cute. An LA Girl liquid liner.
Oh, no, that's not bad.
That's not bad. I've used this before, and it's like one of the better products that you can find at the Dollar Tree. Let's give her a swatch. My only down... Oh, I love the brush on it.
Oh, look how good that is. Now, that's really good. This mystery box was a bop so far.
So far, it's a bop. But the only thing I don't like about this is it dries a little bit shiny, but at the end of the day, this is still like a really amazing liquid liner.
Yes, they hooked you up.
They hooked me up.
They hooked you up.
The next thing I got, which I have not seen this brand at the Dollar Tree, but a full brush kit, and it looks really cute.
Look how cute. They're pink cheetah.
Let's open them up. Girl, still yawning!
I'm still yawning. I was hoping you guys wouldn't notice. Girl. Let me try one out.
Let me see. Let me see.
Let me see. They're not bad.
Oh, they feel really soft.
Also, I think the pink cheetah, if you guys can see it.
The handle.
Yeah, the handle. It's really cute. I was trying to get
Yeah,
it.
it's kind of hard for them to see it, but it's like a light pink cheetah. I love the aesthetic of the brushes.
How cute. They feel really nice, too.
Okay, so far my box
It's a bop.
is a bop.
It's a bop.
I love it.
I think I like your box more than my box.
No way!
I'm being for real.
You want to open that?
Yeah.
It is a little 6-shade eyeshadow palette, which I have seen that at the Dollar Tree.
By LA Girl.
I don't live for those eyeshadows, I'll be honest. They're not the greatest, but they will make do. You know what I mean?
You can find cheaper brands
if you're
that have better eyeshadow.
Exactly. That's exactly my point. But if you're just getting into makeup and you just want to try out a couple pieces, that's how to do it right there. I got a little pocket mirror. And it's probably one of the cutest little pocket mirrors I've ever seen.
It's so cute.
Oh my god. Are you going to steal this from me?
I might.
It's got a little pink rubbery flamingo. So I feel like there's more stuff coming, by the way. So for the price of this box, I think I paid like barely nothing for this box. Like, it has so much stuff in it.
And it's nice stuff.
Mm-hmm. This is really cute. Real cute. Let me help.
No. I got it.
I'll open this one then. Ooh, I really like the colors in that palette. Why don't you swatch them and show us?
Yes, I'll swatch. Oh.
No pigment. See, sometimes, girl, there's LA Girl makeup that I like, but LA Colors is a different brand, and, like, I don't buy because it is not pigmented at all. It's actually all very chalky, so, and I've used a number of their palettes, and they've all just been...
you can barely even see it on camera. It's very chalky and
they
not
smell
pigment.
So strong, like chemicals.
Yeah. No.
Like, so strong.
I'm not a fan of it.
Zero pigment. I just don't recommend these in eyeshadow. Wet n Wild makes like dirt cheap eyeshadows, and they are so much better than this, and they don't smell like chemicals. So if you guys are looking for a really cheap eyeshadow palette, check out Wet n Wild. All right. Lastly, oh, it says Family Dollar. Lastly, we got Nudie 4.
This reminds me of you.
Sorry, it says Nude 4. Nude 4 reminds you of me.
Yeah.
Well,
maybe just because of the nude.
Nude. I said nudie. It actually just says nude.
Yeah.
Slice it. By the way, that was the last thing in the box.
Oh, this is the last one.
Okay, so we got this palette. It actually looks really warm tone, very pretty.
It doesn't look bad.
No, I think we should swatch. It's like a metal tin packaging, and I think we should swatch a few of the colors. Okay, stop it. Stop laughing at me.
Stop it. Ow.
This one smells bad.
It doesn't?
It smells like tape.
Is it because of this?
That is why. So I'm going to swatch the shimmery shades. They already feel pretty powdery. Here, give the matte some swatcheroosies.
The mattes don't feel, they feel very kind of weird.
They actually feel kind of soft. What do you think?
Oh, wow, look at the orange.
Let me see. Oh, wow.
I don't think this is bad.
This is not nearly as bad as the LA Girl. Oh, yeah, this one's pretty cool. Like,
Yeah.
look at that. This is definitely
You got some pigment.
Yeah, we have pigment. I mean, I will say the only downside to this is they are extremely hunky chunky and powdery, but they do have pigment. So this is a pretty good deal. I think for the price that I paid in my box, I think that it was worth it.
Your box is way better than my box. I like more of the stuff that came in. And there's like some of my stuff I've never even heard about.
Yeah.
Like all the stuff that came in mine, I've never heard about. Yours
had heard the brands before.
Yes.
Stuff like that. Yeah, I think I got the better deal at the box, so I win this challenge.
And she paid less.
And I paid less. Sometimes that's just the way it is.
That's just the way good things go.
But guys, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. We love you guys, and be sure to subscribe before you leave to the channel, and we'll see you all in our next video.
Bye, guys.